Hi, in this video we are going to learn about how we can convert the iterator to stream. So basically we know that why iterator we can use. So basically when we have some elements or some data in a collection, so that collection data we can iterate using iterator. So here one is step is ahead, we are going to convert iterator to stream. So how we can convert, let's see stepwise. First create a one list. That list should be contains string value, array list, and array list has some elements we can add. Here add PHP, Java, and Python. Now second step is we create a iterator from the using list. Of this list we can create a iterator, and now next is we create a stream. String should be in a string because of list element has a string, and support dot stream. Can process here we can splitter, use unknown size and splitter order and false. Here I pass here iterator, and now what we do here, we create a one list, and second is create a iterator from this list, and here convert the iterator into the stream. So here stream support dot stream, here pass the arguments splitter unknown size because of it is need to convert in order which is maintained in a list, PHP, Java, and Python, and parallel here define false. So parallel means we cannot more than one thread to handle. So now next step is I need to check out this list element is converted to stream or not. So iterator currently, so now using stream I iterate for loop SOP and checking out. Now for this I run this program. Now PHP, Java, and Python. So we successfully convert iterator to stream. So what we do, we basic highlights it. So first we create a list and add some information elements and create a iterator, and iterator is converted into stream. For that stream supporter use, and it is required arguments, and for orderly sequentially it will convert to stream. So this way we can convert iterator to stream.